Hi, this is our new model Empocher, exclusively made for the Himalayan 450. If you look at the side time frame of the 450, it's got a curved shape, and the gap between the tang and this side frame is bit less compared to the earlier version. So to that extent, tricky to install this embosser compared to our earlier models for BS42, BS. This has got a 6 Velcro strap, and the best way is to start from the bottom Velcro strap so that you can see from the top, and it's easy to wrap it around the bottom pipe and fix it. So once the bottom one is fixed, then you just slide the sleeve from the side of the frame. Then there is one small strap that you can just pull across and attach from this loop on the middle plate of this frame. And the next strap, we recommend to put the one on the next to the topmost one, so which will go around the middle plates of the tank side frame. So you can just put it around the middle plate and comfortably fix the Velcro strap. So once that is done, the longest strap, which will come under the frame, and it will go around the pipe in the front side, and then you can attach to that. And now two more is left. You can put the top one through that loop on the top pipe and fix it. And finally, one more on the bottom part, which will again go around the front pipe of the frame, and then you can that goes. So that's how it is to be fixed. This will be tricky than the earlier version, but that's how we have to do it. And after fixing it, this is how you close it. You fill it with your stuff, roll it 2-3 times, and put both clips, and then it is secured fully.